Ah, bless Ollie. Bless Ollie. Ollie is adorable. He's like us, Katie. He don't like to do too much. So I thought I'd put the Stardew soundtrack on because I never get to hear it when you two play it, and it is such a good soundtrack. And then once that's done, we've got the Faster Than Light soundtrack, which is not a game I've played, but it's a game I've watched a lot of, and I really love the music from that game too. So yesterday, if you remember, we started working on the character creator. You've been... Okay, what have you done today? That's what I mean, I never get to hear it. Plus, I normally keep your stream muted, because I'd like to just listen to you rather than the game, and then whatever else I'm listening to. Watch the parts. That's good. I mean, what is it? It's 3:20. And now Jackson's gone off for the night, yeah? Jackson do be gone. And I'll be having my half bar later. Two cubes a half bar for Parker. Oh, don't. Yeah, so I'll ring you up later, giggling at you, no doubt. I've got coffee. I've got fresh coffee. It's very nice. I'm very happy with it. I did implement it. Why? What's the point? I mean, coffee does taste good, but without the caffeine, it's like drinking alcohol without the alcohol in it, like the alcohol-free beers. What's the point? I like the taste. Yeah, I love a good latte. I'm a sucker for a latte. I'm a sucker for a good latte, and I drink illy coffee, which costs me more than it should do, but it's worth it. And I like the intenser one, not the normal one. I like the strong one. I think that's some good shit. I think that is some good shit. Big fan of the intenso illy. I think they do a decaf illy, actually. Yeah, they do. It's blue. This one. I have the Intenso one. That one. I have this one. But there is one that's stronger. And I can't remember what it's called. It says on the back. Oh, they do instant, apparently. I know you like your instant, because you've got no taste buds, but... This one! Granny. Oh, no, that's the great... No. Forte. This one. Forte, that's the one. Oh, they do capsules machine, do they, for the espresso? So there you go. You can get the full range of illy. You just drink Nescafe. Gross. Can't think of anything worse. Absolutely disgusting. Get some real coffee down you. Get yourself an espresso machine. It's not even Nescafe, it's fake cafe. Fake cafe. Can you imagine? So, is what we need to do now. Let me just get rid of this tooltip. Is... Go over here. We need these boxes. So they are... stats UE. So we need one of these. It's one of those days where I wish I'd restarted my computer before I started, because we're not running on the smoothest of things right now. But it is what it is. Tis what it is. So let's go ahead and throw that in. Gonna pop this hotspot in the top left corner. So we don't want to create it at the start, and we do want it to have an ID. I think that's all we need for now. We're gonna rename this Aseprite stat container, and I need to measure the gap and times it by 4. Don't forget the times it by 4 bit. 11:44. I can do that. Look at that, the math superior. So put that there. We'll create it next to that. Let's just get their X position in somewhere reasonable. Yeah, it's not far off actually. Maybe like 640. Nah, it's touching on that. Right, so what we need to do is set the X coordinate to the X coordinate of those plus, oh hello, plus its ID times 96 at 44 is 140. And then we need to put that in brackets. And then we need to go 3 times 96 and 44 times 2 add 2. think I might have to take a bit more off, yeah. So what we're looking at there, probably about... Oh! We'll just do some math, quick math. So from there to there is 164, and from there to there is 40. 164 minus 40 divided by 2. So 188 and 62, 250 apparently. But that's right. Bow, 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 bow. Let me just check it's right. It is right, it is right. So the next thing we need to do is make a label for them. So I'm going to borrow this. Rename this to stat label. So that is 144 and that is 104, so it's 40 bigger. So I might need to subtract 4 off of that and make it 140, I think. We'll see. I am going to borrow this. Okay, we just need to change the amount that we move it to the left. Again, we can just use some quick math to do that. So it overhangs by 29 pixels. And it's indented by 15, so that's 14. No, I need someone now, surely. That does sound right to me, but try it. Oh no, that wants to be inside the label. Okay, we need to make this smaller. So we're gonna do a loop for okay, let's just get them in the right position now. I don't know what, I'll probably just do some, right, okay. What's the height of this? Let's shrink the height of this a little bit to 24 maybe? Yeah, okay. Now go ahead and subtract 24 and it should be pretty much across the bottom. If I change this to be on the top, no, it's not making any difference. Okay, I'll just subtract a bit more off. Like 28. Yeah, okay, that's good. Then we'll have the number there. I don't want those at the top actually. Just gonna use, because it's an all caps font. Or small caps if you prefer. Right, now we need the plus minus buttons underneath. So let's have a look. We've got two states for those. So can we do it all as one object, I wonder? Probably don't need to. We'll start with the minus. So there's this. This. So if we save this as start button add. Oh no, it's minus. Shit. And then have we got the plus disabled somewhere? Okay, let me just delete that extra file that I just gave myself. Okay, we need to open all 4 of those in Photoshop. A smart man would script this. Okay. So we're gonna have plus and minus buttons. So let's start with the subtract, I guess. I guess we'll have you enabled as default. So this is mute button. Thank you, Jojo. Guys, I'm all on streaming up on the YouTube. If you could give me a watch over there, that'd be amazing. And I'm just gonna spam my ex while I'm here too. Okay, spam over. Gotcha, hi Dewey. So we're gonna do create object, UE button. I guess we'll just do it from here again. And then we're gonna set your ID to that loop index, which is build stat UE. Gonna set your Y coordinate to the bottom edge of this plus 8 maybe. And then we're gonna set your X coordinate to the, let's just make it 0 but no. Yeah, when you press every key but the one you want. Yeah, they're a bit. How many pixels do they need moving back that way? When you can't press the right keyboard shortcut for trying. Uh, 22 more to the left, so we need to subtract 22 from that, so it's back to 250 I guess. Yeah. Bow, bow, bow. Okay. Now we just need to add the add buttons, which are going to be essentially exactly the same, just with a different graphic. We want to go another. How big's the gap? 2 pixels. So if we go 54 off of that, which is 196. Let's have a look. Correct. The math never lies. The math never lies, dear. Right, now we need to add the base stats in. So, have we got a character store? Yes, so HP, SP, strength, defense. What do you shorten defense to? I'll just put that. Set myself on fire. Fuck my life, fuck my life. Ow, 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 ow. So, we need to set these as what they're going to be by default. So, HP 40, SP 20, strength 25, and defense 5. We'll put on. So we are always gonna run a loop for these. Test stats and loop. Test stats. Insert if ID is equal to 0, so that's the first one. And insert HP is lower or equal to 40, which is what we start at. Then we want to switch your animation. No. So on disable. And if it's greater than 40, we want to set it off again. Let's see if flag is on, disabled, flag is off. Change animation frame to 1. If it's off, change it back to 0 again. Let's see. Yeah, that works. They don't do anything yet. We're just disabling them all. Let me see. So we got test HP. And we're gonna want one of these for. Oh, you can't just do that. Okay, fair enough. You can on this one then. Oh no, we never have to disable the plus ones, only the minus ones, don't we? Here. Okay, that's just silly. There's no point in disabling the plus. You put them where you want. You put the stats where you want. Just gonna go through them all now. So this should all be disabled now. Yeah, okay. Paisley having the best sleep. But I think you got a boy. But I think you got a boy. Okay, let's just add in the So if user clicks on object, one of those, insert, and your me want cookie. True love is not something that comes every day. Follow your heart, it knows the right answer. There you go. Life is what happens when you. Oh, no, that old chestnut. Appears to be working. We need some kind of number indicator, but let me just go through all these again. Is it defense or defense? I never know. I always get confused. Okay. Okay. Boom, 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 boom. So this is going to be the modifier stats. And we need to do a couple more things because we've got to limit the amount of points, which means we've got to add an event in here. On this one, anyway. So if we go to the star character and add in current stat points, we'll start with 7, I think. So on this one we need to know if current stat points is greater than 0. Let's just chuck that on every ad. And we also need to subtract 1 from current stat points. And here we need to add 1 back again. So that should cap me at 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. No. That's really not. Where's my debug? Ah, when that's there, that's when we want to disable the plus buttons, I guess. So we'll go ahead and do that, I guess. We can't do it that way, no, can we? So we want loop. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Why did it let me get to 12? Do we need to maybe change this code up to I don't mark it all. I break it. Oh, I broke it now. Let's add in the numbers so we can get a clear idea of what's happening. What's our numbers font called? I don't remember. Patua. So we just need to go ahead and create that. No. That's one. No, I've not been updating that code. That's really bad practice, but it seems to be working anyway. Okay, we just need to add some onto the Y position. Okay, we'll just get this on. See if it works. It does. Now we just need to call this group every time we click one of these. Boo doo meow. You okay, Katie? You two playing Stardew? Yeah. She playing the Stardew. She's in her happy place. It's probably a bit large. Okay, that's fine. Let's move it down a bit more. Now we just need to put the available points you in. But I need to grab a drink, so just give me 1 moment. We all know Robin works on her own schedule. You can't rush perfection. Told you. I'm gonna build a sound engine. Is that going to make a click at the beginning? So if we don't have that active when we're in stats, but we do put it in. So let's just copy this. We can put it on the same channel. We'll do the same thing actually, but we want the accent. So we want to do that every time we do this. So we need to do two things here. We need to activate the accent. So let's go ahead and add that all down here. But I already foresee a problem. So is what we need to do is flag off disabled. It's playing the same sound, isn't it? Are they the same sound? Why do they sound so similar? I know you can't hear these sounds, so it's a bit silly doing them right now, but I do want something that is, let me just turn on, I'll mute that, and put this in there a minute so you guys can hear what I hear. Right, that's distinctly different, so let's just try that one. Yeah, that's very different, so we should be able to tell now if this is bugging on me, or if my ears are bugging on me. It was my ears. Okay, let's put in the need it on the madnesses as well. So we need the points remaining across the bottom. Which I haven't got a U for. But I think we need to close this gap a bit more and bring it all up a little bit. So let's do that. I think for this stuff I can just move it. Let's have a look actually. Okay, so I think this stuff I can just move it up. And if we set this to 172, that's where it is on the page, I think. No. That plus 172, so 140 plus 172. No, that's not where it is either, is it? Oh, we never set the Y position of it. Oh, we do here. Plus 74. So, 2, 3, 4. Are they there? Is that where they really are? 140 plus 74. Okay, we got that. So if I move this up just a little bit more, is that actually moving it up? It is. Okay, so now we can move up. I think everything just hinges off of this. Okay. It's probably a bit much. I'll just give it a little bit more extra breathing space. So now we just need to figure out what the points here looks like across the bottom. I think I'm just gonna have another one of might have something like this, but cover it up. We'll see. Let's get in a label. So we want could do one of these, to be honest. We're gonna bring this right down to the bottom of the page. Where's that? Let's have a look at that. We are going to set this to be aligned to the top now, because I want a second one underneath it. Let's make this a bit smaller. And it can definitely be a lighter colour. And we're going to make that say available points. And then we'll have the number underneath. That's the wrong font, to be fair. It's going to be better if it's the mate I see. We'll play around with the text colours and shit in a bit. Why is it crazy? Because I'm mental. Because I'm not right in the head. Ah. Yes, you could. You're smarter than you give yourself credit for. No, Babs. You've never tried, so don't tell me no. There is no such thing as can't, it's we shall try. That's what my teacher at school used to tell me. I knew it. She used to go, Parker, there's no such thing as can't, it's we shall try. I was Oda Jackson's age. They were my first teacher. Boom. Boom. You'd throat puncher. Kate is a violent toddler. Actually, that describes you perfectly. Violent toddler. Katie Ann, violent toddler. We might have to update him first soon because someone that's a bit out of date now. Though you still won't go ghost hunting with me, so I think you're still scared of ghosts. She's not been crying so much though. What else we got? Oh, it won't show me a note again. It keeps getting rid of it and then putting it back again. Can you not see it when you're in streamer mode? Oh, here we go. You can't see it when you're in streamer mode. Nobody told me that. Sucks is unreliable, sometimes sulks, scared of ghosts, cries at things unexpectedly, can be let down, promises all she would thrive in 2024, outcome undecided, is a boomer with tech and got hacked by Sandra Bullock. That's what your notes say, Katie. All sounds pretty legit to me. I need to make these probably that colour. So that's 98, 76, 50. Okay, that already looks better. I want to just shift this down a few pixels. And if we grab you and put you either side of that, is that going to look good? We're going to have to do some math to move them around because we've got variable font sizes, but I need to set all that up for these actually. It's a bit heavy, isn't it? Maybe we'll just have a little, let's have a look, what can we do? No, maybe it just has to stay like that, but I don't like these. On some titles I don't like the, I'm just going to be super strong. And that's it. I'm going to put it all into strength. Still think numbers are maybe a little bit on the large side. That's better. Okay, so oh, I added mouse pointer last night too, and I added the mouse pointer into the main game. Not that you can do anything in here, but there'll be the inventory and things. We got the mouse pointer. What soundtrack have we got on now? This is not Stardew anymore, is it? Yeah, we're still listening. I've never heard these Stardew songs. Tick 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 tick. Okay, we need to do the icons for chaos, and then we need to look at the character customization side of things on this side. This is your statistics side. I don't think we can fit a title in. I don't think there's enough. I'm wondering if that would be better here, and then those would be better down here. And then we can have some kind of flourish, maybe. Let me try it. Katie being super positive today. I appreciate you. Which way round do we prefer it? This way round? Or the points underneath? Which way makes more sense, do we think? You are, to be fair, you're always supportive of my creative endeavours. I think I preferred it with the points at the bottom. So let's move that back down there. Back to 650, I think it was. Yeah. Hey, how you doing? Yeah, I'm doing mighty fine. Last time I think it's been a long time. Where's it moved? Let's put it on the camera. Oh, look at that one. Look at the state of that one in the back. Look at that. Would you look at that? She's living the life. And then this one. She's okay. But Pancho's living the best of her life right now. Paisley was more relaxed and she's just moved not long ago. But she's still pretty chill. So that's... This space bothers me. I keep coming back to it, but I don't know what to do with it. We can maybe make a container that's as wide as these two. But you know what, let's load in... we need to go into and grab our localization. And then load the data in. I had some proper stress with these localization files yesterday. So, stat, health, title, and we'll call it stat title actually. And then I can copy that. HP. SB. Strip. Death. Okay, now we need to load it all in. Where are we loading that? Just on the fly, okay. So we're gonna set the alterable string to get string character creator. And I'm gonna open this up again and put it over here so I can just see them at the same time. And it is stat.hb. Default string is, we always set it to the English one by default. Aseprite, what's that? Just stamina. No, again. So let's just see if they load him. They do. Now let's just change the more node by adding a 1 on, just to see if it is loading the more properly. No. Why? Why? I don't get it. Have I got the wrong group? Character creation. No. Okay, so it's loading the default one. Why are you failing to load from? Is it because it's...
Could be. Am I invisible?
No.
3 people pulled out Ricky Webb.
Oh, damn.
Might as well not exist.
Don't get me started on these road drivers, babes. These road users. So can we make this easier and load it once? Here? Yes. Okay. Now we know it works. Okay, now we need to do this. We need to set what font size is it? 14. It's quite small. Maybe make it 16. It's probably big. Too big because we're gonna have to fit in. Yeah, okay, we'll keep it 14. So it's gonna be here. And your ultra no font size. Let me just go to this. I'm gonna give it this. appears to be working, but unless I actually alter the base font size. Let's just make it egregiously big, just to make sure. Because I can't tell the difference right now. Yeah, okay, it's definitely working. Okay, we need to do the same with the... Oh, I've not been running ads today. Oopsie. Oh well. I'll run some now and then that'll give, because I've not been looking at that. Let me just run some ads quickly. I forgot. All those pre-rolls. Okay, so what we're doing now, we're doing the... Here we need to set the font size of... that value. I didn't look what the font size is. 26. Massive. Now we need to set the available point. Oh, we're not loaded. No, we need to load the... So we're gonna set your alternable string. Let's just set it to that a minute while I go finding one. This. And we are looking for... let's change it to have an exclamation mark just to see if it's loading that. It is. Probably will add a colon to the end of it actually. Okay, now we need to set the font size. What is your font size? 18. And then finally we need to font size 26. Okay, that's all working. So you can have it as low as 8 for those who love tiny fonts, or as high as 12 it's going to go in the game, which will be up to the... But default is what we want to work with. So we need to do in the sound engine before I get to the audio, SFX, volume, SFX, equal 100, volume, music, equal 100. I guess that's the other two we need for now, but I'm going to actually make this like 25 a minute just to... Right, sound engine. So we want to set it to get value, audio, volume, SFX. And same there. So it should be quieter now. Can I make it even louder?
Ooh, what you do?
Is that even working? Yeah, it is working. You just can't have it any higher than 100. Oh. So we ain't got no music yet, so there's nothing to worry about there. Huh? Trying to think if I'm going to leave it there today. So seems the logical place to end. We've finished one block. So I've got to think about what information spells have before I can work on that tooltip. So I think next game dev stream we're going to look at this side. I need to change that to a button when you've got no points left. I bet there's nearly as many events in this menu as there is in the game so far. What's the game got? 193 and the menu's got 118. So it's getting there. I mean the game engine will get much, much bigger. Okay. I'm gonna leave it there. Thank you everybody for joining me this afternoon. Hope you had a good time. I will be back. If I'm back at the weekend, I will be back with games. Probably Overwatch tomorrow night, maybe. We'll see how I feel. Thank you for being here, Katie. Thank you for being here, Joey. Thank you for being here, Steffi. Appreciate you all. Game dev, pixel art, all that good stuff. I will be back on Monday, maybe Sunday, but probably Monday. Trying this new Monday to Friday game dev weekend gaming thing. We'll see how it goes.